I'm a lit kid beat.
Anchor. Hi, yes, it's Anchor. It's Sarah&Mary. And today we're making slime. Yay!
We have foam beads. We have a colorful one and a white one. We have some glitter. We have some paint. And we have clear glue and some slime activator from the Nickelodeon. Hopefully it works. Hopefully. And then we'll have some bowls, and then we will pull it out from this bowl. Somebody will reach their hand in and pick. Whatever they pick is what they get to make their slime with. Let's get started.
But before we start, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get started now. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Gotcha. So you go first. Now start.
What number is that?
5.
What's number 5?
Golden glitter.
Yay! Didn't you want that one, Mary?
Yeah, that's not fair.
Your turn, Mary. Pick a number.
Open this one. I got number 4. The white ball.
You got the white ball. Your turn, Sarah.
Yeah, I got the number 8.
Okay, which one's number 8?
The pink.
Didn't you want pink?
Yes.
Mary, you pick.
I got number 6.
Okay, which one? You got the red glitter. Is that what you wanted?
No. I want to do the paper that says switch up. So.
There is no paper that says switch.
I wish you did that.
Oh.
And then you could pick any grades without me. Like.
So slow.
I got the number 3.
Which one's number 3? She got the ball that you wanted.
Mary, you got the best, but I got the good stuff
See what I get? I got number 7.
Which one's number 7?
Purple paint.
You got purple paint.
Oh. Yeah, I got number 1.
Which one's number 1? You got the white fuzz. This one goes to Mary. Mary gets.
I'm not good, but it's still okay. Let's start the slime. Wait a minute. We forgot something. Much better. I'm going to start pouring my glue. Squeeze really hard. Ready? No, more. Squeeze it. Gosh. That's enough. So you pour in your glue. Okay. Maybe, Sarah, that's not glue. This is glue. Pour it in your bowl. Perfect.
Now put the glitter in. Sarah, you start with yours since we started with Mary the last time. Pour it all in. Oh, wow. Get her bowl. That looks so beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, that's enough.
And we'll open.
Oh!
open.
Oh! Mary! You just wasted your... Oh, that's beautiful too.
And now let's use the paint.
Okay, put your paint in, Mary. Area is so messy. Sarah, you squeeze Let's mix yours, Mary.
Oh boy. The liquid's going on.
Guys, look how Sarah turned out.
Oh my gosh. The color is so... It's like a dragon fruit color.
The pink ones. Okay, now open up your phone beads and put it in there. And open. Put more. Put all of it in there. Okay, now we just gotta mix.
Yes.
Add it in. This is Mary's slime. Mary, do you like your slime?
Yes.
And this is Sarah's slime. Sarah, do you like your slime?
No.
Take it. That's your slime.
I don't like it.
Then what do you want to do?
Oh,
But Mary doesn't want to share with you. Guys, we solved the problem. We split the slime in half, Mary's slime in half. Are you happy, Mary? Yes. That you split your slime?
No.
Sarah, are you happy?
Yes. No.
No, just go back to this slime.
No.
Okay, well, that's the end of the video. Bye.
Bye,
Wait.
If you watched the video, then still give thumbs up.